Changes for Bailey. The question was, are we staying here forever?
Are you staying here for a while?
Well, my mum and my sister are in England at the moment, but it's just me and my dad here. But yeah, so far so good. We're not planning on going back yet, only for a holiday. But if there are any changes, we might have to go back to England.
What happens to your schooling?
Schooling? I'm starting school this month. What? Next week? Next week I'm starting school.
What grade are you in?
Grade 9.
Grade 9.
Yes, start with Masters.
Grade 9.
And I'm starting with Masters Academy.
Is your dream really to become a singer and actor? Or do you really dream to become a showbiz personality?
Actually, I'm dreaming of being a triple threat. But dancing, singing, and acting. Yes. Yes.
Triple threat.
So, may final question.